It's the sunset, and I'm fucked up. We gonna sit in here and we gonna enjoy this together. You know what I mean? Where you at? I've been waiting to see the sunset for so long, and I had to come to Costa Rica to see a true sunset. Come on, Mom. No, you come on. Mom, come on, baby, please. Trust me. She said, I ain't coming but so far. It ain't going nowhere, Mom. I've been waiting years, decades. Damn, I've been waiting decades for this shit, and I finally got to witness it. I finally got to witness it. Yeah. Y'all don't understand. I've been waiting a long fucking time for this. Decades for this. And I get to see this, yeah? Oh my goodness. It's gone. Hey, shorty, I want to cry. I'm not even gonna fucking lie to y'all right now. I want to fucking cry. I've been waiting fucking decades, nigga. I'm 40 fucking 6 right now, and I've been waiting 40 fucking 6 years to wait to see a fucking, oh my good, a fucking sunset with a perfect sunset with no clouds blocking that shit, and I got it. Huh? It's not. It's not. Slim. Oh my goodness, y'all. Hey, y'all been here with me. Y'all witnessed something that I never fucking got to witness. Look, it's gone, y'all. Oh, shit. Dang.